Hello, hello! Welcome back, teacherpreneurs and TPT sellers. It's Brittany again from Teach Blog Travel, and today I am showing you a super quick SEO hack to make sure that your blog posts rank #1 on Google, or at least do so in the future, and it doesn't require any extra software, tools, subscriptions, or anything. All you're gonna use is Google. Here's how to do it. Before I get into showing you how to use the free Google ABC method for your keyword planning, for your key phrase research, and all of that for blogging, I want to say that what you use for your keyword research really depends upon your goal. So if you're a full-time blogger, or you want to be, and what I mean by that is your blog is your main source of income, either you're selling digital products directly onto your blog or you're using that like for affiliate marketing, then you probably do want to consider getting a subscription or some kind of tool or membership to a site that allows you to do some more professional keyword research, because it's a whole world of SEO out there. This video, and really this channel, is more so aimed towards those folks who maybe they're new on Teachers Pay Teachers, or maybe they've been TPT sellers for a while, but they're just starting to get into the content side. They're starting to market their products in their store. They want folks to find out about who they are and what they can do to help their people, okay? So this video is really for you. This is a way that you can do free research just using Google search and nothing else. Now, if you've seen my niche example, then you'll know that you want to be really clear on your niche, or at least have a working understanding of what it is. And when I say a niche or a specialty, that means you want to know generally what grade you help and what kind of subject you teach. So we're going to use for this example 4th grade math. So if I make 4th grade resources for my store, 4th grade math resources, I'm going to type in 4th grade, and I see I did this yesterday, 4th grade math. Okay, and I look at the things that come up. Now this order here shows the most commonly searched towards the top and then in descending order, okay? So the most commonly researched term with those keywords is 4th grade math worksheets. From there, now also I'm in Arizona, and I know that where you are and what you've searched before does affect your Google search results slightly. So do keep that in mind. Not everybody's going to get the same results, but this is good because if you know the person that you're serving, which I really recommend spending some time thinking about if you haven't already, if you know the person you're serving, if you know the kind of person who's buying your products and your offers and your services, this is going to be a lot easier for you because you want to step into the mind of that person and think, what are they searching? When they're trying to find these resources that I'm trying to sell, what are the exact words and terms that they're using? That'll really help you in your keyword research. Okay, and 4th grade math is still a little bit broad. So in your store, you might specialize on fractions or 2x2 multiplication or certain standards. Maybe you focus on math facts. That's what I do in my store, Math with Minis, totally separate from this. So let's get a little more specific, okay? So 4th grade math is our specialty, but that's not really a niche yet, because that's not really going to separate us from the hundreds or possibly thousands or tens of thousands of other sellers that are out there. So let's put 4th grade math centers, and then we're getting a little more specific. We're trying to see when a teacher, specifically a 4th grade teacher, is looking for ideas and activities and resources for 4th grade, they're looking specifically for math centers, and you might have an awesome math center bundle that is probably already selling pretty well but could do even better, and that's what we want to focus on first with our marketing. So you can see just from 4th grade math centers, I already have some things popping up, right? People are searching for 4th grade math centers PDF, 4th grade math centers ideas, grade 4 math centers, so they're typing it in a different way, 4th grade math stations. So that's another thing to consider too. Is everyone using the word that you're searching for? Because I've seen centers also be called stations, rotations, guided math, math workshop. So depending on who the person is and what kind of experiences they have had with their education degree or their experiences in the classroom, they might call it a different thing. So that is something you also want to consider with your research. Now that alone is a great tip in itself if you haven't used Google search in that way before, but that's not actually the ABC method. So here we go. I'm just going to type in 4th grade math centers space A and see what comes up. Nothing. Okay, let's try B. Nothing. Let's try C. Okay, 4th grade math Christmas activities. That is something that you would want to write down if you create resources for 4th grade math centers, because you know people are already searching for 4th grade math Christmas activities, or they have searched for it before. Now obviously that's something that's seasonal. That's going to spike around November and December. Let's see what else we find. Okay, fourth grade math division activities. So if you do general fourth grade math centers, then you might want to also include some division activities in there. Or if you maybe want to focus on division, if that's something you really like, you could be super specific and make fourth grade math division activities. We're also seeing fourth grade math activities to do at home. That could be just the time that we're in because the pandemic, we're kind of seeming to come out of it. And so some people might actually not be looking for this as much. That's something to consider too. Let's look up E. Okay, awesome. Fourth grade math extension activities, fourth grade math enrichment activities. So you might want to include some enrichment and extension in there. I would definitely write these down as you're going through. Fourth grade math center is free, okay? Teachers love free. So are you including any freebies that they could use? No G. Okay, activities for home. And fourth grade math center ideas. So fourth grade math Jeopardy. So hopefully you're starting to see how you can use this tool. It's really, really simple. And honestly, a lot of those keyword research tools, online activities, hands-on activities, they're basically doing the same thing, but they're pulling all of this up for you. They're aggregating the data. So if you just do this yourself with Google, it's completely free. Now it does take a little bit of time because you're looking at those most commonly searched terms, you're writing them down, but then you will have so many ideas for future blog posts, even for future products and product lines. So yeah, really great tip, and I hope you found it helpful.